Okay, let's solve length of the last word. Now let's take a variable and copy the given string. Then later k dot strip, which is used to remove extra spaces. Now take another variable v. Then let's take k dot split. It is used to split the words into a list type. Then later we need to return that list. Sorry. Then later we need to return the length of the last word. So we are using length function. In that v is the list. So we can take minus 1, v of minus 1, which indicates that the length of the last word. So it passes all three test cases. Now let's verify. Now I'm clicking submit button. That's it. Yeah, it is working. Please subscribe to my channel.